In today's episode, a massive ivory seizure in Hong Kong, good news for Australia's most endangered reptile, pelican problems, and polar bear cams. All this and more, this is your 2-minute roundup. Customs officials have seized 790 kilograms of ivory at Hong Kong International Airport. The ivory was discovered amongst 32 pieces of passenger luggage. 15 suspects have been arrested. If convicted, they face $5 million in fines and 2 years in prison. In more conservation news, Japan's prime minister is pushing to resume Antarctic whaling, despite an international ban on the practice earlier this year. Whale meat is considered a delicacy in Japanese culture. To reconnect the public with this controversial cuisine, visitors to the minister will receive fried whale meat samples during what they're calling Whale Week. Staying in Asia, where camera traps have revealed extraordinary treasure in an ordinary place. Cambodia's Virachay National Park was long considered an empty forest, but thanks to the cameras, we now know that's simply not the case. In another wildlife turn of events, it looks like Mexico City's circus animals are being given a well-deserved gift: their freedom. Under a new law, circuses have 1 year to remove all animals from their acts or face hefty fines. Heading north, where recent brown pelican behavior is puzzling scientists. The iconic birds, which nearly went extinct in the 70s, are not breeding. Also, they flocked to their breeding grounds early this year, and no one knows why. In case you needed something to halt all productivity today, we bring you polar bear cams. The cameras offer up a polar bear's point of view for the first time ever, so go check it out. For more incredible snippets of nature news, check out Wild Watch on earthtouchnews.com. We've got some seriously weird stories this week. Wrapping up with great news for Australia's most endangered reptile, the western swamp tortoise. 4 new hatchlings were born at Australia's Adelaide Zoo, which has teamed up with the Perth Zoo for what they hope will be a successful reptile rescue. Only 200 of these amazing reptiles exist in the wild. That's it for this week, but don't forget to get in touch with us. We'd love to hear your thoughts via the website, Facebook, and Twitter. Until next time!